Hi everybody, this is my water estimator, which allows you to estimate how much water you're using. Actually, if you have a meter, you can find out how much water you're using, but if you don't, then this will help you. And also it helps you see how much you're using for different functions and how much you can save. So let's see, we're starting out here with 149 litres per person per day, which is considerably more than the Cambridge average. What should be changed? There's 2 people at home. Yeah, that's fine. We have a standard shower. We use it, we use it every day, probably for 6 minutes maybe, but we don't have any baths. So let's take that down. I've still got a lot. The next thing is the toilet. No, we don't have very old toilets. We have standard toilets. That's better. So now we're on 130, which is about the Cambridge average. We use the washing machine a bit more often than that. Our dishwasher is new. We don't have a car. We do water the garden, but we do it from a water butt, so that doesn't count. So that's all right. So that's 133, which is not great, but certainly it's about average for Cambridge. If we were to replace our toilets with dual flush ones, we go down to 113. If we replace our shower with a low flow one, we go down to 101. This is not bad. Makes a big difference. Okay, now let's imagine we lived in Eddington, and in Eddington we have recycled water, or actually it's rainwater for toilet flushing and for the washing machine. So effectively we have no washing machines per week, and we have no toilets per week, no toilet flushes per week. Now what do we got? 64, not bad, eh? Unfortunately, we don't all live in Eddington, but even so, there's quite a lot we can do